The live price of Terra Classic is $0.000123 per LUNC/USD today with a current market cap of $812.48 million US. 24-hour trading volume is $951.27 million US. Terra Classic is minus 5.83% in the last 24 hours. It has a circulating supply of 6,555.49 billion US. LunaClassic up 100% and USTC up 300%. Is Terra ecosystem back on track? The Terra ecosystem is once again in the spotlight following its infamous crash that was caused by the Terra USD, or UST stablecoin depegging crisis in May, which in turn led to an overall slump in crypto markets. According to data from CoinMarketCap, LunaClassic had over 100% uptrend while USTC exhibited over 300% increase in the past 7 days. This might point towards the fact that Terra ecosystem is on its way to recovery. But is that true? Is Terra ecosystem making a comeback? It may seem like the Terra ecosystem is making a comeback at first glance. Despite the surge, the value of the cryptocurrency plummeted significantly over the last month. Both the cryptocurrencies dropped by more than 99.99% in the last 2 months. On the basis of strong technical and fundamental analysis, analysts do not predict a near-term growth in the cryptocurrency's value. What caused the crash of Terra ecosystem? As a result of the algorithmic stablecoin UST depegging fiasco in May of this year, the cryptocurrency plummeted 100%. Nevertheless, what is the relationship between LunaClassic and UST? The adoption of UST, a stablecoin, is essential to the development of the Terra ecosystem, hence, the LunaClassic token and UST are inextricably linked. The LunaClassic token gets burned when the demand for UST increases. Alternately, if UST is seen to be volatile, LunaClassic's value declines.